For too long, we've asked companies to choose between a frictionless customer experience and preventing fraud. I know because I was the CTO at TD Ameritrade and was responsible for the security and fraud teams. The issue is that security was told, make sure we prevent all fraud. And we accomplished that by putting up hurdles, things called challenge response and zero trust. It works, but clients don't want to be untrusted, and they certainly don't want to be challenged. I started Authoriti to fix the problem that by securing customer accounts, we broke the customer experience. Instead of challenging a customer to prove their identity through passwords, KBAs, texted PINs, we decided to focus on what the client wants to do, not who they are. Fraud's a bad transaction, not a bad person. So Authoriti believes the customer should authorize you to act on their behalf. Don't text customers a PIN. They should give you a PIN that lets you work for them. An Authoriti PIN could only have come from that customer and says what they want you to do. That means it can't be misused for another purpose and can be used over any channel, secure or not. We'll start with an example of how this works. Two clients will be chatting with Goliath Bank and need to reset their passwords. Evan on the left will show you what clients go through today, while I on the right demonstrate what's possible with Authoriti. Let's watch. So I go to my chat window. Hi, my name is John. Hi, John. I need to reset my password on account 6755134. Easy. I pushed a request to your mobile app asking you to authorize this. Just tell me a permission code. So in the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see my phone. I'm going to go in, launch the app, log into it. And the first thing I'm going to do is check for a pending request. And in fact, there's a pending request associated with my checking account to change the password. And I'll click OK. And that's been electronically sent back to the bank, but I'll also type it in. It's AL8BZSIB6Q. Because any way I transmit it back to Goliath works. Got it, your identity was confirmed, your authorization verified, I've reset your password. Is there anything else I can do? Nope. That's it. Thanks. Now let's check in with Evan and see how he's doing.
So they've asked me a couple authentication questions, and now they say I need to know the last 4 digits of your phone number. So I don't know which phone number that is. Home, work, or cell. Sorry, I'm not allowed to tell you that. Okay, is it 4931? Great. Yes, that's it. What did you say you want to do? All right, I already told you, as I said before, I'm locked out of my account and need to reset the password. No, I'm sorry, we don't allow password resets over chat. It isn't secure enough. Please call our support desk. 1-800-555-1488.
While Evan deals with his call, let's look at another use case. Now that my password's reset, maybe I want to have the bank wire $1 to my brother. After all, today's his birthday. Now, some banks make me fax in signed forms or jump through identity proofing hoops. But with a permission code PIN, I just fill it in and push it to my bank. No matter what channel I use to request the wire, even email, it'll be secure. So again, I log into the app, and this time I say transfer funds, and I know that George's routing number is 12345. And his account number is 33342. And I'm going to send him $1 and generate a PIN. That easy. It was electronically pushed to the bank for them to process, and the wire is on its way. Let's check it back in with Evan and see how his call is going.
Change password.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Please clearly state your option or press star to return to the main menu.
Operator.
Okay, I'll connect with a customer service rep who will be more than happy to help. Please hold on while I connect you.
Great.
Looks like Evan's getting upset. Hopefully that rep can help him out. Let's show him how easy it is to authorize opening a new account with Authoriti, because Evan might need that if he's frustrated and decides to change banks. Now, my app has already snapped a pic of my license, verified it, and sent all the details to the new bank. All I need to do is generate a permission code PIN to securely let the bank process my request. New account opening is just a few clicks away. So I'm back into my app in the bottom right, and I click Open New Account. It's preloaded my driver's license into the account ID field, and it got that when it took the picture, and I click one button, and that permission code PIN has now been sent to the bank, authorizing the opening of my new account. Let's see if Evan's agent was able to help him.
They already asked me that. 4931.
Great, yes. That's the last question. So you want to change your password, is that correct?
Yes, please.
No problem. I'll send you a reset link and password to email and file. Can you confirm your email address for me?
I have 5 emails. Is it evan44@enron.com?
That's the one I have. I will email your password reset link there.
No. That's an old work email. They don't even exist anymore. If you send it there, I won't be able to get it.
I'm sorry, you'll have to come into the branch to update your profile.
Okay, forget it. I give up.
I hope I provided you with an excellent service experience. Please stay on the line for a brief 50-question survey.
So that's it. It took me just seconds and zero friction because I was able to stay in the channel of my choosing, in this case chat. I could have just as easily sent my PIN over the phone, sent it by fax, by carrier pigeon, even skywriting. We don't have to worry about securing channels because the PIN itself is secure. I then authorized a wire and even showed how easy it is to securely authorize opening a new account with just a couple of clicks. Most important is the CX. We didn't challenge the customer to prove who they are. We asked for permission to do what the customer wants. Focusing on the customer's interests is fully aligned with digital transformation. We'd love to help you remove challenging barriers to a seamless experience because security doesn't have to be challenging. Thanks.
Excellent. Thanks, Lou. So I think we've got time for a couple of questions. And the first one I have is just, kind of out of left field. Would this one have helped with the customer service hack at Twitter?
Oh, you bet. If you remember that hack at Twitter, the bad actors got hold of a tool that takes over accounts and lets customer service impersonate a user for support. And if Elon Musk had received a permission code request saying, can Twitter take over your account and tweet as you, he probably wouldn't have authorized it. Not having the consumer authorize was actually the weak link in that chain.
Interesting. Yeah, I think you're probably right about who knows what Elon Musk is going to do, but probably. So my next question, do companies need to use your app or can you get this capability into their own apps?
Oh, absolutely. We can do this standalone, of course, like I showed you, but we also provide an SDK so that you can integrate this directly into your own app.
Excellent. So final question, how do people learn more if they want to follow up?
Oh, that's easy. Just reach out to us. Send an email to Finovate@authoriti.net.